Hey, what's up guys? I go by the name Soji Gray and welcome to another episode of the Device Hub. I know you were expecting Quick View, but the thing is that Quick View has transitioned into the Device Hub. There's a pharmaceutical drug called Quick View, and anytime people search on Google, sometimes my videos pop up and sometimes the pharmaceutical drug Quick View pops up, and I didn't want to have any legal issues with a pharmaceutical company, so I decided to change the name of the channel. So that's why you're seeing Device Hub instead of Quick View. It's the same channel, we bring you the same great content, and I just hope you guys are going to be supportive in this transitioning process. Now in this video, I'm going to be talking about my Android home screen setup of the week. Now this is a very interesting setup because it's one of my favorites. I really love Niagara Launcher. Like I like the way it looks, the kind of looks it gives me. It is very functional, it's very simple, and pretty much it gets the job done. I also like the fact that it is very customizable. So you can add widgets, you can change icon packs, and I mean, you can go for a dark theme, you can go for a light theme, and I just love Niagara Launcher. Another thing I like is the fact that if you're playing song, it has this really nice music widget that comes up the top and it really looks good. I really wish they had given us the option to turn it off or on, but it's not there. Hopefully it comes in a future update, but I like the fact that you can add a widget. So without talking so much, let's jump into the details of the setup. Right at the top, we have a widget from Ornate KWGT, and this widget is a clean looking widget. I've been a fan of Ornate KWGT for a while now, and this is a new addition to their line of widgets. And I mean, if you go to the Play Store now, it's free to download. If you go now and you download the update, you're going to have some new widgets, and this widget is one of the new ones, and it is called widget 107. So if you go to the KWGT setup and all that, you look for widget 107, and it gives us details such as the date, the month we're in, and the time. It's pretty basic. I love that it has this green accent that matches the wallpaper I'm using, which is an emerald green gradient kind of wallpaper, which looks so good on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now the icon pack I'm using is from Widgets. Widgets has this really flat, minimal looking white icons, which really looks good on this home screen setup. And I mean, you can't just go wrong with Widgets, and it kind of fits, you know, this whole setup. I have a dark green wallpaper, and I have white icons and white widgets with green accents. That is amazing. So I'm going to leave links to the wallpaper, the icon pack I used, and the widgets, where you can get the widgets from, is on the Play Store. I'm going to leave links, everything down in the description section, so make sure to check it out. And if you don't know how to install those widgets on your Niagara Launcher, I'm going to show you how. I'm going to leave links in the description section to a video I previously did on how to set up a widget on Niagara Launcher. So if you're confused or you need help, make sure to check that video out. It's a really helpful video. And I think that's for this episode of the Device Hub. I'm going to catch you guys some other time. Stay blessed.